Hi and hello everyone. I am Mr. Munji from Al Faisal International Academy School, the science teacher. So today we're going to speak about our new lesson is about electric circuit. Lesson 21, page 145 to page 149. Our objectives for this lesson to recognize and use the circuit samples. Number two, to make a sample electric circuit and make a circuit to test a hypothesis. Look for the first step. Actually, the electric circuit we are using everywhere. Without electricity, that we cannot stay alive now. And now we are using the electrical energy, we are using electricity everywhere. We're using our laptops, we're using ACs, we're using washing machine, we're using anything using by electricity. Even our phone is working by electricity. How the electricity can pass from this door to this room to the next room, from this building to another building, from this city to other city, from this area or from this country to another country. So the electricity can transfer from one place to another, actually by an electric circuit. Circuit, what's the meaning of circuit? When the electric current carry energy to make a lamp light or the doorbell ring. So this is called a simple electric circuit. The electric circuit is formed the simple one made by battery, switch on or off. You need to close or to open the electricity, and this is the light bulb and this is the wire. So this is very simple electric circuit. Very simple electric circuit. For the scientists or for the electricians, using what? Using two kinds of electric circuit. Complete or not complete. What's meaning complete or not complete? We know that the simple electric circuit is formed by, actually the simple one formed by four components. The first one component is the light bulb, the wire, the battery, and the switch. So those are the four components. So switch, battery, light bulb, and the line. So this one is the samples. The samples of course we don't need to draw, we don't need to make anything. So that's why the scientists using these samples. So this one it is not connected. So the switch it is off, is not on. When the switch it is on, so this will pass. So this one is complete or incomplete circuit? Yes, perfect. Perfect. Clap your hand for your friend. So this is what it is not complete, because this one, the switch, it is open already. So this is for our introduction. After that, the circuit diagram now. The circuit diagram actually is using by the electrician design a circuit. So the electrician design a circuit, how to draw circuit diagram? By drawing battery, drawing bulb light? No, they're using symbols for all of those kinds of components. Like this one, for example. The battery, the sample of the battery should be line, vertical line, is not too long, and small, another one parallel of it. This is a battery. The wire, it is horizontally line. The bulb is like this, circle with X. This is the buzzer that produces sound energy. This is the motor, is M. This is switch, can be off or on. So this one, it is switch is on. So those are the different kind of electric circuit samples. After that, the circuit diagram now. The circuit diagram, we are using all of those samples to make the diagram. The diagram, for example, this one. This one is a battery, for example, exactly like this one, and exactly like this one. This it is a bulb light, this one it is a resistor, this one it is another kind of battery, and those the lines are the wire. Next one. We'll try to watch this short video that you can understand many things about the electric circuit.
Hello! What's going on, young scientist?
Hi, I'm trying to make an electric circuit.
Electric circuit? Wow! Have you learned that in school?
Yeah, a little bit. I have learned that the simplest complete circuit is a piece of wire from one end of a battery to the other.
Yes, an electric current can flow in the wire from one end of the battery to the other. but nothing useful happens. The wire just gets hot and the battery goes flat.
You are right. To do something useful with electric current, we need to put an electrical component into the circuit, such as a bulb, that can use the current to make something happen.
Very good. You already know quite a lot. Now, let's learn some more. When electric charges move in a wire, we say that an electric current flows in the wire. It's like the way a current of water flows in a river.
Yeah, it is like a constant flow of electrons through something.
When a wire is connected to each end of the battery, electrons begin to flow from negative to positive.
Yeah, from minus to plus.
And this flow of electrons is called current. Now look at this.
Hey, there is no battery in this.
Yeah, if there is no battery, no electricity will flow. So, the first condition for the flow of electricity in a circuit is that there should be something to make the electrons flow. Now look at this second circuit. What is missing?
Oh, the circuit is not complete.
Correct. This is an incomplete circuit. You need a complete path for the current to flow in. This is called an electric circuit.
So, you need some power source like a cell or a battery, and you need full circuit for electric charge to flow.
Yeah, here it is.
Look at my circuit. It has a battery and two bulbs, and it is complete with wires.
Yeah, it is very good. This kind of circuit is known as simple or series circuit.
Oh, so if this is a simple circuit, is this something called complex circuit?
There are two kinds of circuit, series and parallel.
So mine is a series circuit. Can you tell me about parallel circuit?
Yes, this now the different kind of the electric circuit. So that as he said. So after that we'll go now to speak about one from the most important thing. So we're going to practice our knowledge. So what you have learned about the video and about our explanation that I make it before. So to make electric bulb light, exercise number 1. To make an electrical bulb light is must be connected. Connected in what? Connected in what? The electric what? Electric circuit, electric complete, electric current, electric switch carry energy around the circuit from the cell. So let's start from the first one now. To make electric bulb light, it must be connected in. Yes, excellent. Connected in electric connected in circuit first. So the electric current carries energy around the circuit from the cell or a battery or the bulb. The circuit must be complete, yes, or incomplete without any gaps. Should be complete. And for the switch, it will open, a switch open and close the gap of the switch when the circuit goes. So our next lesson now is it is the circuit projects, how we can make projects about electric circuit. Page 148 to page 149. Explore different type of electric circuit. Design electric circuits to perform our different tasks. Next one now. So we'll try to see this video and how we can make electric circuit by using a clay. By using what? By using a clay. If you look for this girl, you make what? Many kind of electric circuit.
To make a Play-Doh circuit, you're going to need LED lights, Play-Doh, a 9-volt battery, and optionally clay. I started by creating 2 clumps of Play-Doh, and then I attached the positive wire from the battery into one of the clumps and the negative end of the battery into the other clump. Then I took out my LED light, making sure to take note that on the LED lights, one leg of the LED is longer than the other. The flow of energy only works if the longer leg goes into the positive piece of Play-Doh. Also keep in mind that if the two pieces of Play-Doh touch, there will be a short circuit. In this next one, I use clay as an insulator that stops the flow of energy from one piece of Play-Doh to the other. On this one, I put it in backwards so we could see the easy fix if you put it in the wrong way is just to flip it around. This last model my students like to call the target model because it looks like the target sign, attaching one wire into the center and another to the outside.
Yes, we can use this kind of project in our home and send it back to me to make your marks. So the energy now of a current flowing in the circuit in the circuit can be transformed in a different form of energy by different component. So the energy or the electrical energy can change. Electrical energy can change by using component to another kind of energy. For example, the light bulb. The light bulb take the electrical energy and go directly to transform it into heat or into a light energy. The electrical energy by the buzzer will take the electrical energy and transform it into the sound energy. The motor will take the electrical energy and going to be transformed into what? Into kinetic energy. So for example, the first one, the bulb light, it will transform electrical to heat. The second one, the electrical energy, it will transform the buzzer to the sound energy. And next one, the motor, it will what? Change the electrical energy into kinetic energy or motion. Next one now, what we have learned about this one. So different circuit transform electrical what into other form. Yes, the different electrical circuit, this different circuit, yes, bulb or buzzer or component or energy or motor. Yes, excellent. It is what? It is components. The component transform electrical what? Electrical energy into another form. So for example, the bulb light transform the electrical energy into light and heat energy. So the next one, which one that transform into sound energy? It is the buzzer. Yes. And number 5, which one that transform electrical energy into kinetic or movement energy? It is the motor. Thank you. Thank you so much for your attention. And if you have any question, try to ask me or send me a message from the Google Classroom. Thank you so much for your attention and thank you for watching and take care from yourself.